It's fishing time. Good morning mga friends. Today is Sunday here in Nebraska or in Norfolk. We're going fishing. Look at the lake here. It's so relaxing. Me and my hubby, we're gonna go fishing today. Hopefully we can catch something. If we catch something, I will show it to you guys. Bye for now. Oh, nag-vlog na ko. Ako nga nag-istorya na ko sa mga igagaw. Right there. Huh? My hobby is fishing. Dong, nag-vlog na ko. Tawag na akong cellphone. Oh, we've been catching like crazy. Oh my god. Dong, nagkukuha namin isda. I'm so happy. Oh my god. So exciting. Oh my god. Nagagawa namin isda. Wala dong. Oh, cute. Wala kadaghan ako isda. Oh my god, it's so big. Holy shit. Oh, I can't say holy shit. Oh, naka-ambak mo si Dave. Guys, sorry. So far we're catching 4 fish. Poor hubby. It's raining, look at that. I'm having my umbrellas. I don't have any fishing license, so I can't fish, so I'm just here relaxing. Guys, mahalag-uwan. Basta nangisda gyud down. Naisudan ko ng gabi eh. Sige, pangisda ako doon, lingkod-lingkod ra. That's the way it is. So far, we didn't catch anything a lot. Yesterday was 7. Beautiful guys. We're gonna go to the pickup now. Look at my umbrella, it's so cute. Hi everyone, hi mga friends. This is my cleaning station of fish. I have this supposed to my scaling and the knife and the gloves and my fish holder. Ooh. That's my fish bucket. I need to wear this one, guys. That's the fish that we catch. Pretty good size. And we have some more here. Ooh. Hey! This is gonna be a very big fish. They're still alive. Still alive. Oh. My friends, this is the fish that we catch it today. It's a bluegills. It was a really good fish, eating fish. So I am gonna make a sapaksil. So I put my garlic, onions, and I put some vinegar here. Vinegar. Then siya, guys. I put pepper. It's not the spicy pepper, but onions, garlic, and ginger, vinegar, and soy sauce. So it's gonna be good eating, guys. Thank you, David. Thank you, hubby, for fishing this fish. It's good lunch for me or dinner. Guys, I'm gonna eat now. Very simple food. And guys, taksil. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, I'm full. It's a very good fish. Anyway, I'm full. I'm still eating. It's really good. Very good. Very good fish. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everyone. Guys, this is our project. Remember I told you guys we start to build another patio. Then we put the sand, gravel now. And then we're gonna put this bricks.
Unsay gitrabaho mo naman nagtrabaho. Unsay gitrabaho mo naman nagtrabaho. Mo naman nagtrabaho.
Dukdukon man siya.
Aha.
Ano magidukduk ganiha?
Yan sa tilid. Trabaho marangal yan mga manay. Huwag kayong reklamo dyan. Sakto natin, 24 natin.
Ha?
24 na.
Okay.
56.
Hi guys, I wanna show you my patio now. It's done. No more raining today. It was raining earlier when we went fishing. But look at that. It's finished. Very, very nice. My hubby did a pretty good job. Look at that. Isn't that nice? He's gonna put some, we sprinkle some seeds for grass in there yet. But look at our garden. It's getting there. God, it's raining. All the flowers gonna be so happy. It rain again.